This is the Sharp Solutions Chef's Knife. It's a good heavy blade. It's a stainless steel 3CR13 material. It's a very heavy knife. It's got the right weight on it for slicing and dicing all the vegetables that you can possibly want to slice and dice. If you're really, really good, you can slice really, really thin. I'm not that great with a knife. It slices through tomatoes without crushing them. You can get good thin slices without any problem at all. This knife has a classic design stainless steel forged handle and palm grip with the proper weight. It also has a money back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied at any time, you just email them and they will give you your money back in return.